Okay, guys, so here we have the second but okay, so I went ahead and took all of the ephemera that we had slated for this signature and did the same thing as before. I separated the different types. If I could grab hold of them. Went ahead and inked around edges of things, and so we're pretty well ready to go. This was just an extra piece of that book page, and I didn't really want to cover any of parts of it up because I thought it was kind of cool. So I'm just gonna fold it and put it in as some extra ephemera. And then there were these bits and pieces. This one I didn't cover because I thought both sides were fun and interesting. But on these I did that collaging again and sewed around all the edges. So quick look at how those turned out. Very much the same as before. And then this one was one that I had just folded. I just added a piece of paper down here so you could keep writing, and then kind of turned it into, like, I don't know, a little booklet, I guess. So that's all that. Now let's go ahead and get started on decorating, right? Okay, so let me get this kind of situated again. I feel like we've got quite a lot of stuff to use. So that's a bit big. Doesn't really go. This one I thought could be interesting. Maybe add one of these bird stickers. I don't know. Might not fit. This one's a bit big. Let's just see. Well, it would, but just barely. Let's go ahead and see what it might look like. Yeah, I don't know if I like that so much, so I'm going to hold off on that idea. We'll definitely use this bird somewhere, though, I think, since I've already gotten it taken off of the thing. Okay, so we could put one of these on here. I also have this definition for tree. Let's see. Don't really want to cover the whole thing. Maybe we can find one that's just a little bit thinner, like this one. Well, I'm not loving that. So, okay. I need to think through that just a little bit more, I guess. Oh, you know what we could do? We have these stamps over here. We could maybe stamp something. So we've got our trees, but I don't know because we've already got trees in that seam. These are going to be too big. Same with those and this. Oh, you know what else? Okay, I have more bird cutouts. Let me see what I can find from there. Okay. Surely we have some smaller ones. Yeah, like one of these maybe. Oh, here's a pretty little yellow bird here. Oh yes, that's gonna be cute. He's a little bit tall. He's a little bit tall too. Maybe this one. Oh, I like that. Although I wish it was looking the other direction, but I did kind of like him. He's kind of big though. Okay, well, let's go with this guy. So, what can we put behind him? Could do like a little label, I think, Natural History Collection. Just curious, this one's awfully long, but it's also very cool. Well, I do like that. Okay, so let me see, what else do we have to work with here? No, I like the long one. Okay, so let's put that down. There we go. That's cute. I like that you can see the tree kind of in the background there. Okay. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and paper clip this to the page. And we will call this page done. Okay, so, oops, I need those. Okay, now, could do, actually, maybe I'd like that on that instead. And then, gotta remember I've got these like labels too, so let's see. I think we'll just make another little tuck spot here up in the corner. With our little bird friend. And let's do one of these. Something like that. need to get my butt working outside today. It's going to be so nice. I got so much stuff I really should do. Okay. So, yeah, I don't know. We might not get too many videos this weekend, or I might not get ahead this weekend is really what I was trying to do, but sometimes you just gotta take care of the other stuff instead. Okay. I guess I put more glue on there than I probably should have, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and ink around the edge here just a little bit. Just give it a little bit more definition. Okay, and then, so I need glue here and there. There we go. Get that straight. Whoops. All right. So there's that. Now, what can we stick up into there? I think this would look kind of cool. Yeah, let's go ahead and put that there. Okay, so this page, we've got some flowers happening on the tree. I did like having this maybe sticking out over here so you could see it. So I'm going to go ahead and just glue that right down. Okay. So there's this page. Now, so far this one's been pretty easy. I haven't had to do too much. Okay, so here we go. Now, let's see. We need a little bit of color. We could do one of these. Yeah, and shall we do another one where it folds out? I think so. Let's do that. Okay, so I pulled out these yesterday. And then we have these two as well. I'm curious just to see what else we might be able to find in here. Okay. So, I was kind of hoping we could find something that's got some color maybe to it. But I don't know that we'll be able to. What is this? So let's see. It's not quite right for this journal. Okay, well, instead of finding a washi to use here, I'm finding washi that I want to get rid of. Which is not helpful for this little problem that we've got. Okay, so I think I'm going to stick with what I've got already pulled out. This is palm leaves, so that's not quite right either. So, okay, well, now we know. Okay, so let's see. Put this back together here. I like the idea of using this one, and then maybe one of these two with it. So, okay. Okay, now let me do the inside. Make sure it's not going to go anywhere. Actually, I'll do this one on the inside. And there we go. Okay, so now, which one? I think this darker one would look good. There. Yep, I like that. Okay. So there we have this page. That's a lot of really good writing space right there. Okay. Now, okay, we've got a lot of darkness over here. What can we put over here? I wonder. Okay, well, we haven't done one of these yet, so I kind of feel like I should do one of those somewhere here. So, whoops. Keep this one. Okay, boy, I hate to cover up this page because it's so cool, but at the same time, I don't know. Well, I'm going to go ahead and just glue this down, and then I can always come back and do more if I want to. Okay, I need to clean this. These are sticking together. All right, so, and then I think I like this down here, so I'm going to go ahead and just paper clip this one down here on this page. So that'll be a nice little juxtaposition. Okay, so we do have some pockets in here. So let me go ahead and glue that up. And then on this other side, all right, so I say let's go ahead and put another one of these down here. This one says Western Bluebird. Okay, so now you know, we haven't done any stamps in a while. Let's see. Get rid of some of this height too on this thing. Okay. So let's find some trees. I think it would be cool to do a few trees here. So and what color? Whoops, as I drop it. What color? I could just do dark brown. That would actually look pretty nice. Yep, I like that. Okay, so there's that one. Let's find a tall and skinny, or a skinny one that's kind of shorter. And then one more. Let's see. So we did this one and this one. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. Let's do this one. Sorry guys, I'm feeling kind of quiet today. I guess I'm not overly excited. I shouldn't say excited. I just I'm just feeling quiet. I mean, there's no really reason for it, I guess. I'm in one of those moods where I'd honestly I feel like crafting quietly, I guess. So let's see. Let's go about there. Okay, well, I really like that. And that's a nice way to add some embellishment, but not add bulk into the spine too. So, I could do something like this, but I think maybe I'll keep that for some other page because it's already kind of busy, and if you wanted to write it all on here, then that's where I would want to do it. So, okay, so let's put this in here. What else do we have? Could put this. Put this in here too. It's on the other side of this. Grackle. Not a big fan of those birds. I got plenty of them in my house. Okay, so, but we'll put those two in there. Okay, so now we get to decorate this side. I think we need something with some darkness. So, of course we have that. I could do some of this. I wonder. I don't know that this is really quite right for this journal. I think I'm just gonna keep that for a different journal. Okay, so. Oh, and I keep forgetting I have this that I can cut out too, so I should actually just keep this out so I don't forget. Okay, so let's see what else I got under here. Okay. Oh, and we could do some of this. Actually, let's do some of this. Okay. Yep, I like that. Okay, and then I'll add a little something over at the top of it. So I get glue everywhere I don't want it to be. Okay. Glue is my enemy these days. I don't know what's going on. It's like getting everywhere. Okay, so there's that. Now, let me find something to put up here. It's going to be too wide. Those are all going to be too wide. Okay, so... Oh, I still have some of this. Actually, I'll save that for another spot. Don't like those colors. Put that there. And then let's go ahead and do some leaves down the side. How's that sound? Do these leaves too. There we go. That's kind of cool. Okay, so there's that page done. Now for this page, so I had pulled this out, so let's go ahead and put that down. And then, yeah, I like that there. Totally missed this corner somehow. Okay, so let's see how that pulls that way. Yeah, I totally missed all of this. What's going on here? Add some of this instead. Okay. So we haven't used any of this in a while, so I'm going to go ahead and rip off a piece of this. Could that have been any worse? Well, don't really want to cover up that nice design, so I think I'll do this instead. Okay, and then put a piece of this down on the bottom. Okay, so I do need to put something here though to kind of bridge that little gap. There. Okay, so get the book back together here. Okay, so where are we? We are right there. I really like how this looks. Add a little bit more glue up here. Okay. So I think we need to put another one of these down because we've got quite a few left yet. So underneath this, I'm going to add some washi tape. I'll do this one. Okay, and then this could come down. I haven't been doing this, but I think I will ink around the edges of this one because it's going to just blend in too much. Okay, so I'm gonna glue it down there, but it's gonna need something to offset that, so we'll just do that little bit of washing up at the top. Because as you can see, I didn't get the washi tape super straight, so a little trick is to add some more washi tape to kind of hide that. If I can find the end. There we go. And I love this color combination with this black and white with the kind of goldenrod and grayish blue. Very cute. Okay, so there's that. Now, what to put into, I think let's just slide this down in there and then put in some extra paper. And then we've got another little pocket over here, which I don't have tons of stuff that I could put in there, but you know what? We've got this. We could put this onto a slip of paper, maybe. That actually could be really cool. Yeah, I like that. It's kind of different, but let's go ahead and do that. Some kind of swallow, it looks like to me. We had barn swallows as a kid growing up in the country. We had a big barn, and my dad would time it when they came back every year, and they came back on the same day every year. It was amazing. And it was always like the same family, I think, of barn swallows. Don't get me wrong, they were messy and kind of a pain, but take off a little bit of that height. There we go. That'll be better. Now, do we keep it like this, or? Well, I'll definitely ink around the edge. I'm wondering though if I shouldn't add a little label down here or something. I don't really want to cover them up. We could put a label down here. Okay, so let me ink around him, and then this back side will be good for some writing. Okay, so there's this. Now, I think this might be the only label that'll really fit. So I I do want to put something behind it though. Just a little something. Just like that. Okay, so there we go. All right, I'm gonna tuck this back there. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, well, that's that page done. And then that'll close up like this. Let's see. I think I might start from the back and work my way backwards. Okay, so that's kind of nice right there. Got this other little bird here. Oh, that looks kind of cool actually. It's on the other side. Nope, I like that. Okay, there's that little birdie. So we've got another one of these. Let's go ahead and put that down here. Yeah, okay, let's do this. All right, there we go for that page. Now, I think on this page, you know, I could open it this direction. Because, well, that's two trees facing each other, and this would be a little bit more interesting, I think. So, I like that better, I think. Go ahead and use one of these big ones, and then when you open it, there will be a tree on the inside. I have to put these down onto a heavy thing of books or something. So, okay. Could make this into a little tuck spot. think we'll paper clip that one in there, which now just leaves two of these yet to put somewhere. Looks like this is going to be the right size page, so let's see what this might look like underneath. Okay. Put some of this washi here too, since that label is talking about the herbarium department. Alright, and then I'm going to remove a little bit over here, just make it a tiny bit shorter. I do feel like it needs, well, I don't want to add too much. Yeah, I think that'll be fine. Although, I think I'll ink around this one. Okay, there we go for that page. Now, what's left? We've got this guy, black-tailed gnat catcher. Had to think about that one for a sec. Okay, so let's see. I think I'll keep those for another signature maybe, and this, and I don't know, I feel like that even too. So let's see, what could we put underneath? I don't like that. Okay. Something with more color. Yep. And let's do some more of this. Okay. So I think for right now, I think that's all I'm going to do in this signature. So let's just quickly flip back through it and see how we're going. So yeah, I definitely need to squash this down under some heavy books or something. I wonder. Okay, so we've got that, some flowers, we've got this that opens up, and then this with two different pictures, Western Bluebird, our stamps. Oh, you know, I could do some more stamps. We could do a stamp here. Oh, or we have this little birdie. I wonder if that's too many birds. I think I'll save that idea for another signature. Or I'll come back to this later. Here's our center. Another little collage with some more birdies inside. Nothing on this thread. There we go. And we've got our little leaflet thing. More trees. And then this one with some more collaging on the back. Okay, well, I think that's gonna call it for me for today. Let's leave it on this pretty spread, and I will see you all in the next one. All right, bye guys.